Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw and color the last letters of the alphabet. We will make letters from R to Z. First, let's draw the letter R. Now, let's draw the letter S. Next, let's draw the letter T. Now, let's draw the letter U. Let's draw the letter V. Now, let's draw the letter W. Next, let's draw the letter X. Now, let's draw the letter Y. Finally, let's draw the letter Z. Now, it's time to color our letters. Let's make them bright and beautiful, just like a rainbow. Let's color R red. Red is strong and bright. It looks like a shiny apple. Now let's color S orange. Orange looks warm and fun. It's like the color of the sunset or a sweet orange fruit. Next, let's color T, yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine and happiness. Now let's color U, light green. Light green is soft and fresh. It looks like new leaves in springtime. Let's color V green. Green is calm and peaceful. It reminds me of trees and grass. Now let's color W blue. Blue looks like the big sky in the deep sea. It feels cool and relaxing. Next, let's color X dark blue. Dark blue is deep and strong. It looks like the night sky full of stars. Now let's color Y purple. Purple looks like grapes. It's such a special color. Finally, let's color Z pink. Pink is soft and sweet. It looks like cotton candy and makes me smile. Wow! Look at all our colorful letters. They look beautiful and bright. Now, let's read the letters together. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, everyone! Let's read them one more time together. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That was wonderful! We finished all the letters of the alphabet. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video! Bye-bye, friends.